What's up, squeegee slingers and water-fed pole wiggling wagglers, and welcome to the Tradman YouTube channel. Today we're discussing a course change in the channel, so stay tuned. So yes indeed folks, if you've been watching the channel for a few years now, you'll know I've been teaching people how to use precision tools which require working a certain way. But I do appreciate that not everybody has that same time to invest in precision tools. So going forward, I will be teaching people how to use more basic tools, still high-end, good quality tools, but more basic in their setup and easier to use. And also be showing easier methods. So perhaps you've just started window cleaning, or you're a homeowner, or you just want the most simple, most basic way to get the job done. Well, those are the videos that are going to be coming out going forward. So what I'm going to do over the next few videos is you're going to be seeing me use a tool, one of my favorites, which is the Unger S Plus squeegee. Now this is a very good, easy to use squeegee. It's lightweight, and for the vast majority of users you're going to get on no problem at all. No streaks, arcs, lines, things like that. You're going to get on with it no problem whatsoever. So I'm going to be showing videos how to use this squeegee and some other ones as well. We'll look at some other squeegees we haven't really featured on this channel very much. So over the coming months you're going to see more different style of squeegees and content, and also how to use them. Now, one of the main reasons I've chosen Unger to use their squeegees and applicators is because I'm confident in their products. These are tools that I've used for many years, and pre-precision squeegees, these were the tools that I always used and could rely on. So I'm 100% certain that if I recommend the tools I'm going to be showing you in the upcoming videos to yourself, that you will get on with them no problem whatsoever. And I'll also show you how to set them up correctly, from putting in the rubber, how long to make the rubber in the squeegee, and such like. Now, another reason you're going to be seeing me using more standard tools and showing how to use basic methods of cleaning windows is that in the near future I've got a training program being organized. Now, I can't say too much about it at the moment. The new website and all that is still being built, but this is something that we've been thinking about for a little while. Both myself and my wife Carly, aka Trad Girl, we've been working together on a training program so that we can actually work with people like yourself and get you trained up on how to use classic traditional style tools in the most efficient way, or even just getting your business set up and running. So that's what I'll do in the very near future. I'll make a separate video all about this new training program to tell you a lot more about it and how you can actually sign up to be trained, whether you're brand new to window cleaning, you've maybe been doing it a little while and you want to learn some more. It's going to cater for hopefully everybody, but also using more standard tools or precision tools. But more about that in the near future. So that is what's coming up on the Tradman YouTube channel, folks. We're going to be showing you more basic techniques and easier to use tools. So hopefully this channel will cater for all skill levels and all types of people, whether you've got a lot of time to invest in learning precision tools, or you haven't got quite so much time and you just want something that will work right off the mark. We're going to hopefully be catering to all of your needs. So thank you very much for watching today. Been really much appreciated. If you've got any comments or questions, happily I'll answer them. Pop them in the comments section below. That would be absolutely super. And until the next video, guys, you take care, be good, and remember, keep squeegee slinging.